This week on the GIS History Channel, the Texas GIS Forum has been supporting the Texas GIS community for over 35 years. The forum will again be held at the University of Texas J.J. Pickle campus in the Commons Conference Center from November 3rd to 7th, 2025. Like every Texas GIS Forum, this event is expected to be out of this world. This year's keynote speakers are explorer and filmmaker Ariel Waldman and the host of the television show Texas Country Reporter, J.B. Sauceda. The 2025 Texas GIS Forum will likely be the best GIS gathering in the country yet again. Topping it off, there will be over 35 peer and industry presentations packed into 2 exciting days. Some say this event keeps getting better year after year. How can this be? Rumors are starting to swirl that something unusual is happening in Texas. What are the folks in the TexGIO office and the Texas GIS community doing to keep this event going so strong after so many years? In this episode of the GIS Files, we delve into what's really happening at the Texas GIS Forum and why so many people continue to attend this event each fall. One man has spent years studying the TexGIO staff. Was he an intern? Was he part of the staff? Or did he sneak into the TexGIO offices years ago? Somehow, he's had the opportunity to study the people behind the Texas GIS Forum, and he has some interesting claims.
Things aren't what they seem at Texas GIO. The Pickle Center, the Texas GIS Forum, the people who work at TexGIO, it's all connected, man. STTRs, sentient time-traveling robots. At the Pickle Center for over 30 years. Why? It's because they got the nuclear reactor there. That's where they go to recharge every year. It's also where they get the power for their time warp bubbles. And the TAC supercomputer, it runs the whole thing. It's where they got their sentience.
Time traveling robots, seriously? I mean, how does that even happen? I know we're living in the future and AI and everything else, but do you realize how silly that sounds?
There's nothing weird about that place. No matter what that guy says, it's totally normal, it's totally fine, it's gonna be a great event, and there's nothing going on at that location. I'm not sure what these claims are, but it's preposterous.
You want proof? Look, Gayla Mullins. She hasn't changed since she showed up at the first Texas GIS Forum. She doesn't age, man. She looks exactly the same.
I can completely believe that Gayla is a time traveler. That actually makes sense to me, right? It's true, she never ages.
Oh, have you been talking to that guy in the Hawaiian shirt? Yeah, I don't think so. And the claims about me aging, not aging? Yeah, well, that's true.
Well, what about Richard, you ask? Well, they built him a little different, okay? What do you always see him holding and drinking, huh? Diet Coke. It ages his biogenic shell. And look at his hair, look at his hair. Doesn't change. Over 40 years, he's never changed his haircut. What kind of a person does that? I'll tell you what kind of a person. A robot person.
I don't really want to be changing my hair. I just, hang on. I mean, it's changed color for sure, but, hang on.
In 1942, the National Defense Research Committee, the same group that created the Manhattan Project, established a building at where the pickle is now. You want to know why? It's because of the ley lines. If you look at the convergence of the ley lines and the magnetic anomalies in the area, look, they're flaunting it right in front of our faces. It's the intersect, man. That's what allows them to bend time and send the STTRs back in time to make sure everything goes as planned.
I've been working here for 38 years, and I always thought there was something wrong in the whole bunch of them. Every single one.
I just think that's ridiculous to try to tie in our forum theme to space travel and time travel and whatever else that guy's claiming.
The only lines that I know of are contour lines, available from the TextGIO data hub.
If you want more proof, come with me. I've been living in their archive for months, observing them. Robots.
Will we ever know for sure if there are time-traveling robots working at TextGIO? Can we determine if the JJ Pickle campus is indeed a place of strange phenomena? Perhaps the best way to answer these questions is to find out in person by attending the 2025 Texas GIS Forum. See you there.
What?